Hello guys, this is Yaha's Fitness. My name is Minyoung and we're going to go through some bob and weave. So essentially, you want to be at your stance like this, hands up high, and when you want to bob and weave, you want to essentially draw a U shape. So when I'm doing it, this is what it looks like. Of course, there's a lot of variations to that. So you can block, come up here, you can block again, or you can slip, come back with the U shape, everything follows through. Also, you can also step with the bob and weave. So if I'm going to the right side, I weave and go up, weave, go up. Or essentially, if you want to stay stationary, you can just go and bob and weave. When you're doing a U shape, you want to keep your shoulders tight and high. So when you throw a U, this is what it looks like. And so if I'm were to punch a bag, and if I'm going to do a bob and weave, I can do a punch. I'm already here. I can just weave right under, do a lot of variations of combinations I want to do. So as a demonstration, so that's how you do a bob and weave. Hope you guys enjoy, and link in the description.